Oregano has been a treasured herb for centuries. And beyond its use in the kitchen, it's had many traditional uses throughout the world. In ancient Greece, it was considered a symbol of happiness, and traditional Chinese medicine would use it to support the immune system, gut, and overall health. Much of the power of oregano can be found in the oils contained within its leaves and stems. Oil of oregano is a natural powerhouse. It is rich in vitamins and minerals and supports gut health by modulating the bacteria in your body, making it an excellent addition to any wellness routine. What makes it so effective? Carvacrol, a natural compound that gives oregano its incredible health-supporting power. And MaryRuth's oil of oregano liquid drops contain a potent 60% carvacrol content. Oil of oregano contains strong immune-supporting and gut-friendly properties, helping your body stay resilient and ready throughout the day. Our essential oil is extracted through steam distillation and then thoughtfully blended with organic extra virgin olive oil for safe, easy use. Each serving includes approximately 1 part oregano essential oil to 3 parts olive oil. Even after mixing with olive oil, this is still a concentrated dose, so we recommend taking it with water. Adults should take up to 5 drops 1 to 3 times a day, or as recommended by a physician or healthcare professional. Support your health with a drop of tradition. MaryRuth's oil of oregano liquid drops, nature's immunity ally, trusted for generations.